MAS Sumantra was established in 2010 and has since expanded its operations in the Kornafuli and Chittagong export processing zones to increase exports to EU and continue to benefit from GSP.
We were an organization that started with limited product capability. Today, we have elevated our product assortment, as well as we have also brought in new customers and new product portfolios.
In keeping with the operational standards of MAS, Sumantra integrated lean manufacturing principles, which have improved efficiency by eliminating waste and scaled digitalization for higher productivity. Currently, Sumantra is considered MAS's single largest manufacturing facility across the globe, with an annual generation of 6 million standard hours.
MAS Sumantra will be positioned as a go-to partner for elevated fashion and apparel manufacturing, whilst also building an ecosystem that encompasses supply chain, design, development, and manufacturing.
In Bangladesh, the apparel and textile industry is shifting from mass manufacturing to a fashion and innovation-driven destination. Moving with the times, Sumantra has pivoted from garments that require simpler production techniques towards more sophisticated products utilizing more innovative and complex technologies.
MAS Sumatra was no different to any manufacturer in Bangladesh 10-12 years ago. Today, we have multi-product capability, and we will continue to grow our footprint in Bangladesh.
MAS's persistence to enhance talent and safeguard the well-being of employees in their professional and personal lives is what makes Sumantra distinct.
The kind of working culture we have, in one sentence, I would say, I believe that we have a people-first culture.
A positive culture can change everything. That is my philosophy. So being a part of this big family really makes me proud.
Sumantra has built a safe and conducive environment for employees, offering meals, transport, health and medical care, keeping in mind the large female workforce that drives its operations.
আমাদের চিকিৎসার জন্য নার্স ডাক্তার রয়েছে আরো অন্যান্য অনেক সাপোর্ট পাই।
Under MAS's Hallmark Empowerment Program, Women Go Beyond, Sumantra's team members have benefited from trainings in diverse areas, ranging from English language to emotional intelligence and corporate dining etiquette. The targeted mentorship program is another way Sumantra strives to help its employees reach their highest potential.
এমএসএ সিনিয়র পারসন যারা আছেন ওনারা সকল বিষয়ে সাপোর্ট দিয়ে থাকে আমাকে।
MAS gives lots of emphasis on nurturing, equality, and diversity. We have space to grow. We are constantly being challenged with responsibilities. We are also given the chance to take risk and move forward. I believe in the infinity game because there's no finish line. At MAS, we are a team in an infinity journey.
The PACE program for personal and career development was implemented in April 2022 in partnership with PVH to support and build life skills of team members.
There is so many good practice in MAS Sumantra. Among that, I want to say women empowerment, corporate social responsibility, sustainable product, local talent development.
This employee-first culture was acknowledged when Sumantra was presented the Worker Wellbeing Award by RMG Times for 3 consecutive years.
Talent recognition and development has been the forefront of our progress and success.
Sumantra has stepped in on multiple occasions, especially in times of crisis, to support the communities and people surrounding the business. During the COVID-19 pandemic, MAS set up a fully furnished medical ward and donated critical equipment to the medical center in Bipsa.
MAS is doing a lot of CSR activities to enrich the fabric of life here.
Along this decade-long journey of uplifting communities while creating world-class products, Sumantra has evolved from manufacturing for one brand to making elevated apparel for multiple international brands. This expertise, combined with a truly humanistic work ethic, makes Sumantra a unique and strategic choice. It stands as a symbol of talent and opportunity in the thriving landscape of Bangladesh.